Magluluto tayo ng homemade quick and simple tuna pasta at pan-fried garlic bread. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you another recipe na madali at simple lang gawin at home. My own version of tuna pasta gamit ang Century Tuna at garlic bread na no need gumamit ng oven. Kawali lang, solved na. Tara, I'll show you how. Una, lutuin ang 300 grams na pasta. Lagyan ng oil at salt. Kapag kumukulo na ang tubig, ilagay na ang pasta. Leave it there to boil. Kapag luto na, drain and set aside. Next is gawin na natin ang tuna sauce. Put butter and oil. Optional lang ang butter, pwedeng oil lang, pero para sa akin mas tasty kung merong butter. Ilagay ang sibuyas, garlic, at kapag medyo brown na ang garlic, ilagay ang kamatis. Dalawang lata ng Century Tuna, isang lata na flakes in oil and the other is hot and spicy para may konting sipa ng anghang. Let it simmer and put canned mushroom. Salt and pepper to taste. Tikman, more pepper and salt until pasok na sa banga ang lasa. And then put our cooked pasta. Mix it well. Let us now make our pan-fried garlic bread. Fast forward po ng kaunti. Di ko pala na-press on ang video habang nagluluto. Sorry, tao lang po. Put butter and minced garlic over a very low heat pan. Pagbalik-balik ta rin lang para even ang pagkaluto. Put parsley leaves, optional lang din po ito. Nasa description box below ang links sa previous video ko kung saan ko nabili ang parsley leaves. Back to our tuna pasta. Top it with grated cheese. And parsley. At eto na ang ating homemade tuna pasta and garlic bread. Another recipe to serve for our family. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye!